So, one of the things we're going to have to do is we're going to have to make sure you put and upload an assignment online for me because you're going to be doing this all the time. I'll have this video just so you can refresh yourself, but you'll probably get so used to it, it'll be all good. So, here's what's going on. I got Miss Facci. She decided to post a homework assignment for me. Ignore the late. It's okay. And she had this assignment that says, tell me about yourself. Now, in my class, it'll be just titled Homework 0, Homework 1. I made it easy. So if I wanted to submit a homework, I just want to show you how to do it. So if I went to my OneNote, I have it open here. And I can do all of my homework here, and I'll say, what's my favorite movie, besides Star Wars, because everybody should love Star Wars, is the Shawshank Redemption. Great movie, according to me. And what I want to do with my life, I was going to be, I wanted to be an astronaut, but my spelling was bad, and I wasn't going to do it. I actually want to be a social studies teacher. Oops. And then, of course, because I'm a math teacher, I might as well do our math equation right here. So if I want to do this, I want to make sure I distribute it. I get 4x. 7 times 4, 7, 4, 28, minus 28, plus 2x equals 6. Make sure you distribute the negative or else you're going to drive me nuts for the rest of the year. Minus 6x minus 27. Alrighty. We'll clean up this side and that side. We get 6x minus 28 equals, let's see, negative 6x. Well, of course I picked one that didn't solve. Smart. Okay, lucky me. Actually, it does. I'm kidding. Say negative 6x minus 21. Watch your negatives. I got to add 6x. Most people will be careful, right? 12x minus 28 equals negative 21. I'm going to add 28 to both sides. 12x equals, that's 7, and divide by 12. Get x to equal 7/12. All right, so as you can see, I did my homework pretty fast. Now what I got to do is I got to get it to Miss Facci, even though, it's too bad. So here's me in OneNote. I just decided to put it back into full screen mode because it's easier for me now that I'm done. Okay, and all I got to do is the following. You go to the File page, you go to Export. I'm going to export it as a PDF. So it comes up as Save As. Be careful where your folders are. I would probably do it in Documents or things like that. So look, it already came up as Homework 0. That's why I tell them all that. The only thing is I got to put my name on it. So I'm going to put, your last name, or in my case, I'm putting my last name. Voiski. That's how you spell it, just like it sounds. And then you press Save. And notice it says Save Selected Pages. Everything's on this page. You should only do that on one page. So you just save it. Boom. So now it's been created. Alrighty, so just to rehash, you go to File, Export, PDF. It says that it's on page. You go to PDF, Export, and again, Homework 0. As you can see, I already did it and save. Alright, so now that I have it, I just got to get it to her. So, on it, you press Open Your Homework, and then it says you can create or add. All you're going to do is add, and you're going to add a file. Well, we're going to add that file we just did. So if you know where you could do it, you can literally drag it, or you can select from your files. In this case, I knew I put it in my documents. Oh, there it is. There's me. Homework 0, open. There it is. Upload. And it will do its thing if it's not going to take its time. I'm hoping it won't. There it goes. Boom. There's my homework. Alrighty. Mark is done. There it is, just to show it so you can even see a little clip of it because it's a PDF. And bang, I'm going to turn it in. Once you turn it in, I get it. Okay, pretty simple thing. So if you follow those steps, that's how you can do it every time. It's not that hard. It takes about a minute or two. It took me 5 minutes to explain it, but you can do it, and it won't be that bad, okay? So get used to this process. You can always watch this video to do it. So I'm going to turn it in, and boom. It says it's done late, but hey, Miss Facci doesn't know. Well, she'll know it, obviously, and so will I, but she marked it as she took it late for me. All right, you guys have a good one.